After receiving the package, check the components in the cabinet. If any parts are damaged or missing, contact customer service immediately. Step 1. As shown in the video, align with the holes and screw in 12 A's. Assemble the wood end boards as per the video. Align with the holes and screw in 12 B's. Screw 6 A's into board number 2. Align with the holes for assembly. As shown in the video, screw in 6 B's for fixation. Align the holes of the 2 wooden boards with the side panels and secure them with 4 C's. Repeat the above steps to install the other side. Step 2. Attach 4 F's to 4 pieces of board number 15. When installing F, please peel off the film first. Screw a total of 8 A's into board number 9 and board number 12. Insert board number 11 into board number 12. And secure it with 4 B's. Assemble board number 9 on the other side of board number 12 and secure it with 4 B's. Screw a total of 4 A's into board number 10 and board number 8. Assemble them with board number 14. Secure with 4 B's. Screw 10 A's into board number 6. Do the same for board number 5. Splice the above planks and use 10 B's on each side to fix and tighten. Step 3. Screw 16 A's into board number 1. Insert 4 D's into the table body and assemble it with board number 1. As shown in the video, secure it with 16 B's. Stick into each position where screws are installed. If you find any remaining screws after completion, don't worry, those are spare screws provided for you.